Adding clips to your timeline. It is best to put a video into your timeline first. This is to set the size of the video stage correctly to fit your video. Click and drag the video you need from the library over to the timeline. A clip mismatch warning box will pop up. Make sure you choose the Change Sequence Settings button. This will change the size of the stage to fit your video, instead of your video trying to fit the stage, which is what will happen if you press the Keep Existing Settings button. If you choose the Keep Existing Settings button, your videos will look zoomed in. This is an example of the difference between the two options. Resizing clips. If you have a video clip that is not the same size as another video clip, this can occur if you record video clips on different devices. You are able to scale one of the videos to fit the frame. To do this, click on the clip you need to resize in the timeline. Right-click on the clip, then select Scale to Frame Size. If Scale to Frame does not quite work how you need it to, you can resize the video manually using the Effect Controls tab. Open the Motion tab, change the scale number lower or higher than 100, depending on if you need the video to be bigger or smaller for the stage.